Let's make the best chocolate chip cookie you've ever had. I will be posting the full recipe in the description, but for now I'll go through how much I'm adding as we go. You're going to want to heat up your iron skillet and then add 1 cup butter and melt. After the butter has melted, add a ½ cup sugar and 1 cup brown sugar. Stir until everything is combined. Once everything is combined, remove from the heat and set it in your refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. We need it to cool off so that we can add the eggs. Now that it's cooled off, let's add in our 2 eggs and our 1 teaspoon of vanilla and give it a stir. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a ½ teaspoon of salt and give it another quick stir before we add in the 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of flour. One of the things that I really love about this recipe is that you can combine everything in the skillet, and that keeps your dirty dishes down. So I just take my time in mixing all of this flour in. It is going to be thick. And then once you've got most of it mixed together, you can easily get that extra flour from the sides of the pan mixed in as well. So I always like to add both semi-sweet and milk chocolate chips to this recipe, generally about a ½ bag of each. And this is where you can just kind of have fun and customize it to, whatever your taste is. If my boys liked walnuts, I would definitely add those. I think that would taste amazing. So one final step before it goes in the oven, I'll take the back of my spoon and even it all out, just kind of pressing it down as I go. I'm just trying to settle it all into place. And then put it into a preheated oven at 325 for between 26 and 33 minutes. Now for my oven, it takes about 28 minutes. And when you want to pull it out is when the edges will be lightly golden and then kind of the inside of the cookie will still look like it's a little undercooked. I've been making this recipe for years, but I want to make sure and credit Melissa of Modern Honey. This recipe came from her blog, and I will be sure to link it in the description. So give this cookie a try and let me know what you think.